Hey there, welcome back to another video. Let's go. Today we are going to discuss ASUS Vivobook S14 specifications, price and my opinion. Here's a review of ASUS new Vivobook S14 OLED. Video content, design and connectivity, second display, third keyboard and trackpad, fourth software performance and battery life, 5 verdict, 6 editor rating, 7 pros, 8 cons. The new Vivobook S14 OLED from ASUS might not be a patch on the Space Edition Zenbook 14X. Devoid of the fancy livery and secondary display on the spotted by the its space thumb cousin. The Vivobook S14 OLED does not borrow a few design traits from its two and also boasts a lovely OLED display. Let's see a deep Evo-certified laptop fare in a daily uses. Design and connectivity. Tipping the scale at 1.5 kg and with the thickness of 18.9 nm, the Vivobook S14 OLED is not a really thickness or the lightest but easy to handle or portable. My review unit comes in the back with the lead getting touch of thanks of the embossed ASUS Vivobook branding. The produce out of the chassis is the 3D look. The lid open up with the one brand revealing the spacious keyboard and large trackpad with the bright orange your escape key catching the attraction immediately. A closer look reveals a strip pattern on the enter key as well. The screen has thin bezel on three side with a slightly wider chip bring ASUS Vivobook branding. The webcam is located at its usual spot on the top bezel and next to it is a physical slider that toggle the privacy shutter. The screen can open up to 100 degrees giving you more flexibility in terms of viewing angle. Overall, the fit and finish are excellent. And there is no flex complaint about the bottom half of device seems wedge shaped at a first glance because of the way its design and its edge have a tendency to cut into your palm when you move the laptop around. Another downside is the fact that the smooth metal body tend to get quite easily with quite visible on the dark color device. The heading aspect of this laptop has to be a 14-inch 16:10 OLED display with 2.8K resolution and 90Hz refresh rate. Not only is it quite color accurate, boosting 100% coverage of the DCI-P3 color gamut, it gets sufficient bright at 600 nits with certification like VESA display HDR2 black TV and Pantone. It comes with a solid credential. All these translate into vivid sharp visuals with razor sharp text media that pops and luxurious black. I would say Vivobook S14 OLED should work out to be a solid option for those who work with the image color correction and for the media consumption of course. Keyboard and trackpad. The color escape of key notwithstanding, the Vivobook S14 keyboard and trackpad are large and allowing to easy interaction with the voice. The keys are well spaced out, slightly curved, of easy to text input, and offer ample travel. The keyboard features a three-step backlight to the power key, has switches placed with the delete key that later reside of top right corner, a fingerprint scanner of embedded into a power button, and works quickly and accurately to give you access. The trackpad is large and smooth too, so no complaint there. Software performance and battery life. The laptop run Windows 11 Home and even bundle Microsoft Office and Student Edition for free. ASUS also preload a few tools of utilities, and out of these, my ASUS utility deserves special mention. This laptop management software allows you to customize your aspect of your machine, including power and performance, audio and video, and input device. More specifically, the software also allows you to avail various promotional offers bundled with the laptop, such as extra 25 GB space on Dropbox free. The software allows you to trial of software like McAfee, LiveSafe, and Privacy Guardian, and other. This laptop comes with 12 Gen Intel iCore i7 processor along with the 16 GB of RAM, and laptop comes with a 500 GB of SSD storage. Graphics are handled by Intel. These laptops are not meant for serious gaming, but it's said to be a pack more than enough grain of the usual productivity-based task. Multitasking and running bunch of Chrome tabs together, it operates smoothly and hardly breaks a sweat when a tray is just getting started warm. Benchmark extension show excellent result too. The battery life is good, delivering about 6 to 7 hours worth of regular uses, and bundled 90-watt fast Type-C charger with a full charge under 2 hours. Verdict. The ASUS Vivobook S14 OLED start at rupees 74,990 and its asking price deliver quite a bit. 720 pixel webcam and missing memory card slot are more toggle. Laptop scoring a high aspect like performance, battery, and life of keyboard. The OLED screen, of course, its aspect of to might you toward and with good reason. Features and capabilities are make it all-round work and entertainment machine. Pros: cool OLED display, smooth performance, good keyboard, ample port and connectivity. Cons: 720 pixel webcam, no SD card reader. Comment on below of the laptop price and specification your reviews. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.